Hey guys, welcome to 6 2 Interest Vlog. So today is our second weekly psychology MCQ test based on previous lectures of motivation and emotion. If you haven't read these two chapters or if you haven't seen the lectures, then I have posted the link in the description box. Please go through the lectures before trying to attempt these questions. There are total 20 questions in this video, and answers are given at the end of the lecture and also in the description box. So first try to attempt the questions by yourself only after reading the chapter and watching the lectures, and then check the answers from the description box or by pausing the video at the last. The process by which activities are started, directed, and sustained to meet a person's wants is called A. Drive, B. Instinct, C. Incentive, D. Motivation. Second, in which of the following approach people are said to have an optimal level of tension? A. Arousal, B. Drive reduction, C. Incentive, D. Psychoanalytic. Third, Megha gets a new toy for every good grade on her report card in first standard. Megha is receiving A. Intrinsic motivation, B. Intrinsic reward, C. Extrinsic motivation, D. Need motivation. Fourth, the most basic needs in Maslow's hierarchy are A. Esteem needs, B. Psychological needs, C. Physiological needs, or D. Love needs. Fifth, management theory of X and Y is given by A. Young, B. Maslow, C. Douglas MacGregor, D. Freud. Six. Which of the following is correct function of leptin? A. Decrease appetite. B. Increase appetite. C. None of the above. Or D. All of the above. Seventh. Which of the following is not one of the physiological factors in hunger? A. Stomach. B. Hypothalamus. C. Pancreas. D. Corpus callosum. As the basal metabolic rate decreases, the weight set point A decreases, B increases, C stays the same, D varies up and down. Ninth, one of the main differences between anorexia and bulimia is that the anorexic A tends to be female, B is obsessed about body weight, C can suffer from heart problems, D never binges on food. Question number 10. Sympathetic stimulation of the pupil causes. This was asked in net examination in 2019. So A, astigmatism, B, vitreous secretion, C, pupil dilation, or D, pupil constriction. 11. Which of the following is are the elements of emotions? A. Subjective experience, B. Behavior, C. Physical reaction, D. All of the above. 12th, the theory of emotion that states that the thalamus sends sensory information to the cortex and the sympathetic organs at the same time is which theory? A. James Lang, B. Facial feedback, C. Lazarus theory, or D. Cannon-Bard. 13. In which theory of emotion, the most important aspect of an emotional experience is the interpretation or appraisal of the stimulus? A. Canonbad, B. James Lang, C. Cognitive mediational, D. Facial feedback. Voting. The structure in the brain that, when damaged, causes rats to stop eating is called the A. Hypothalamus, B. Lateral hypothalamus, C. Ventromedial hypothalamus, D. Ventromedial pituitary. 15th. Leptin is a dash involved in appetite control. A. Fatty tissue, B. Organ, C. Hormone, or D. Neurotransmitter. 16. Which theory of emotion owes a lot to Darwin's work? A. Canonbad, B. James Lang, C. Facial feedback, D. Lazarus theory. 17. The rate at which your body burns energy when at rest is called the A. Basal metabolic rate, B. Set point, C. Basal set point, D. Wet metabolic rate. 18th. Sneha works at a daycare center. The pay is low and the hours are long, but she loves being around children and has no desire to look for a higher paying job. Sneha's motivation appears to be A. Extrinsic, B. Selfish, C. External, D. Intrinsic. 19th. People who are always looking for a challenge may be high in the need for A. Power, B. Affiliation, C. Attention, D. Achievement. 20. Your heart is racing, your breathing is rapid, and your mouth is dry. What emotion are you experiencing? A. Sadness, B. Happiness, C. Fear, or D. Anger. Okay, so I have covered all the 20 questions and these are the answers. You can pause the video and note down the answers and check it with your answers marked. And you can comment your marks or message me personally regarding your marks or any queries. Or you can also drop me a message on my Instagram page or Facebook page. Its link is shared in the description box. You can check it out, or if you don't want to pause the video, you can directly check the answers in the description box. So thank you, and we will begin with new chapter in the next video. Okay, so thanks for watching. Do subscribe and share the video with your friends, and stay tuned for more upcoming conceptual videos related to NET, JRF, set psychology, and for MCQs, which will be uploaded once a week.